back, everybody. This is a new addition to our used bike inventory with an FLHX, a Street Glide standard with under 2,000 miles, 1953. A beautiful infotainment system. Before I turn that off, I'm going to show you the LED headlight. Previous owner had upgraded to. Beautiful, beautiful addition. Even the high beams here. Get a better view of that. Beautiful brightness if you are traveling past 7 p.m. or before 7 a.m. Standard 2-up seat, 6-gallon tank, 6-speed transmission, floorboards. We go with a wider engine guard on standards. They have put, previous owner did put highway pegs on there. Really comfortable for the long haul. Nice angle. The beautiful sound emitting from the motorcycle is going to be due mostly to the tab performance exhaust here. Let me zoom in on that. Really cool diamond cut shape on the ends. And here we go. Otherwise, it's a 107 Street Glide standard. 10-spoke wheels, dual Brembo brakes in the front, different grips. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Come on down, get yourself a test drive.